In this video, I will show you how to boost FPS and reduce lag in Outer Worlds 2 using just one config file tweak, no third-party tools or no boosters, only real in-game performance optimization for low-end PCs. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to open up File Explorer and go to C drive and open the users folder and double click on your username. If you don't have your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on it. And you just need to select the view option and select show and make sure you check this box hidden items, and then you can able to see this app data folder. Double click on it and double click on this local folder, and now find this Arcanas folder. Just double click on it and double click on saved and double click on config, double click on Windows. And now you just need to right click on the game user settings and select edit in notepad. In resolution quality, you just need to type 65. View distance quality, set this to 0. And anti-aliasing quality, set this to 1. And shadow quality 0. Global illumination quality 0. Reflection quality 0. Post process quality 0. The texture quality set to 2. And effect quality 0. Foliage quality 0, shading quality 1, and landscape quality 0. And then select the file and select save option. And just to close stuff here and launch the game. And this is the final look, guys. So can play the game without lag. And starting off the game, my game loads up too quick. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.